My name is Cesar Cardona. I am a junior in physics and pure mathematics. I'm just introducing a light-based phantom for simulating radiation dosage calibration in medical physics. eLab stands for Electronic Lab. It is a lab offered by the physics department, one of the best departments in physics and experimental physics in the United States. There's in conjunction between Boston University and CERN laboratories and other experimental laboratories that made a lot of discoveries since the 70s. Here you learn how to do electronics from the fundamentals all the way to very advanced projects at the end, as you can see in our final projects here. There's a branch of radiation oncology, how you treat cancer, in which they use high radiation doses to get rid of tumors or malignant tissues. Pretty much what I try to do is, instead of using radiation, I try to use light to perform a calibration device that shows you the amount of radiation, quote unquote, or light dose that something is receiving. There has been mistakes and errors back in the past, 1970s around, with a company that, due to a glitch in a computer, was responsible for the killing of 5 patients. And it can be prevented. It can be prevented by good physics. It can be prevented by good calibration, which is a thing that has been going in the field, but we can always do better.